He's eating. Oh, no more?
I never let I want.
You want to give another one? Let's see, who else gets to eat this one? Oh, that one's hungry, huh? Who else? Let him eat. There we go.
That's what I don't want.
Okay. Who else?
Daddy, can I see
Be careful, sweetie.
Why is that?
Oh, no, they're good. It's just they're a little bit riled. I just don't want them to.
What should we do?
They're fine. I just, I don't know. I guess they're going to be okay. I just, sometimes they get a little bit. They probably won't nip at her, but.
You want to eat off the camera? That one looks big, huh? He doesn't need any more.
Just if you hold your hand really still, and then that should be good.
The noisy ones, huh? You want to eat that one? Where's the cone up, honey? Let's go find someone. Let's go find a shorter one.
Are you guys ready to go? Yep. Okay, sorry. That's okay. Well, you need to be careful with
Mama, the bird just went up.
Let's let this one eat a lot, I guess. Let him finish that off. Oh, stay away, honey. There you go. Good job.
I gotta get a picture of it. Oh, there you go.
Buddy? You get this guy? Let's come in here. Can you see them?
Oh, don't bite.
Here it comes.
There. There's plenty for all. There's more people.
No, not you. It's for the birdie.
You like this one?
Almost. Plenty again.
How much are you guys? Oh, you want some more? Pretend like you have a touch. You're filming me, aren't you? Brian, pretend like you have a touch. They might be recorded.
Yeah, turn around your face.
They have none that look like my bird, Mom. Look at them. Tell me if it's gonna bite
It looks like he's thinking. He's thinking.
Yeah, somebody that doesn't have one, give it to him.
Dig in. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah.
Oh, here comes another one. Oh. Oh, they like you, I guess. Oh, what's he doing? She's like selectively feeding them.
I don't want it anymore.